Hi, everybody. We're going to work on our spelling pages. This week, that's page 80 and 81, doing the long U. So we're going to start on page 80. And let's just look at our spelling words first. U, cube, January, rescue, cute, menu, huge, fuel, music, use. In each one of these words, we hear the long U saying its name, you. And it can have different spellings, but it's going to sound the same each time. So again, we've got clues, and these first 7 are clues, and we're going to choose one of those words to match the clue. So number 1, you read it in a restaurant. What do we read in a restaurant? Menu. M-E-N-U. Now in that one, it's just the U spelling, isn't it? Just U all by itself. It is the opposite of little. I know you're thinking big, but it has to be one of these words. So which one of those words means the same as big? Huge. Huge. Now that is going to be the U blank E. Huge. Let me cross that one off so we don't get confused. Number 3, it is the name of a month. Ooh. Yeah. January. That's just the U too, isn't it? All by itself. Number 4, a bus needs it to run. Fuel is another word for gas. Well, at least for automobiles, the fuel is what makes anything run. So for most cars, it's gas. For a bus, it might be diesel or something else, but the fuel is what makes it run. And here we have that UE, fuel. A lot of times that's going to be at the end of a word, but here we have it in the middle. It is the opposite of many. Few, I forgot to cross that one out. Few, F-E-W. A few, it just means one or two of them. And here we have the E-W, U. I'm gonna move my book up a little bit for 6 and 7. It is a shape. Cube starts to get easier toward the end. There aren't as many to choose from. Cube, again, that is U blank E. And our last one says, you hear it when a band plays. Is that going to be rescue, music, cute, or use? Music. Music. And again, that's just U by itself. Music. So now down here for these last 3, and we do have 3 words left. We have rescue, cute, and use. We're going to put one of those in each of these sentences. So number 8 says, we will blank a puppy from the shelter. We will rescue a puppy. We will cute a puppy. We will use a puppy. Use it for what? You're going to rescue. Rescue means to save it. There's a puppy at the shelter. It doesn't have a home. It needs someone to save it and give it a home. Number 9, the tiny puppy is cute or use? Yeah. Very cute. You knew that one without even seeing the list. I blank a brush on its fur. That's going to be our last word, use. So here we have you blank E. Here we have you blank E. And here we have that UE, two of those. Oh, that's important because on our next page, we are sorting the words. So these are the different spellings, EW, UE, just a U, or U blank E. And we are going to, on this page, we are going to sort the words. So which ones have U blank E? So as I'm going across, I see cube. Remember, like I said, you need to have the U blank E in these 4 lines, but it doesn't matter if yours are in a different order than mine. Then we also have cute. That's almost the same as cube. Just a T instead of a B. Then we also have huge. U blank E. And finally, use. And I'm going to cross those 4 out so I know I've already used them. So again, you know how it works. If you need to pause to catch up, that's fine, but I need to move the book up so I can see the next. All right. So spelling words that have the long U spelled EW. Look up at your words. There's only one. Which one has EW? It's that very first one, few, F-E-W, few. Good. Spelling words that with the long U that are spelled U and E. And here we have 2 of them. So let's look for U-E. Not U blank E, U-E. There are 2 of them. Rescue, like we did with the puppy on the last page. And fuel, F-U-E-L. Fuel, what makes something go. Fuel for you is food. Food converts into the energy you need to do things. So fuel is something that makes things go. Finally, we have 3 left, and these are spelling words with the long U, just spelled with a U. And we should have just 3 words left in our box if you've been crossing them off. So I see January with a U right in the middle. Menu. Again, you don't have to have them in the same order. If you saw a different one first, that's fine. And music. If you need to pause to catch up, that's fine. Otherwise, if you would please take a picture of your work and post it for me on Schoology or Remind. Thanks a lot, boys and girls.